You ever live somewhere that just didn't feel right? Not haunted in the movie kind of way. No floating ghosts, no creepy music in the background, but something else. Something angry, something loud. That's what people call a poltergeist. Unlike your average ghost story, poltergeists aren't subtle. They don't lurk in the shadows. They slam doors, throw plates, yank the covers off your bed in the middle of the night. They make noise. In fact, the word poltergeist is German for noisy ghost. And for anyone who's lived through it, it's not just spooky, it's exhausting. Imagine every time you try to sleep, your lights flicker or your furniture creaks, or worse, moves. Imagine waking up to find all the drawers in your house open, or the TV blaring static at 3 a.m., even though it was unplugged. Some folks think it's all nonsense. Glitches in the wiring, drafts in old houses, an overactive imagination. And yeah, sometimes that's true. But other times, entire families report the same things. Even pets react, barking at corners, growling at thin air. What's strange is that poltergeist activity often centers around a person, not a place. Usually a teenager, sometimes someone going through emotional stress. Which makes some researchers wonder, are poltergeists even ghosts? Or could they be some kind of psychic energy created unconsciously? Whatever the cause, it's hard to ignore when things start flying off shelves. There's no one-size-fits-all fix either. Some people call in priests, others try sage, crystals, even mediums. Sometimes the activity stops, sometimes it follows them when they move. Me? I've never seen one myself, but I've talked to enough people who have to know this. Something real is going on, and it's louder than we'd like to admit. So the next time your keys go missing, or you hear footsteps in the attic when no one's home, maybe it's just the house settling. Or maybe, just maybe, it's something trying to get your attention.